Hey guys, welcome to this beginner Java tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to create a for loop that counts from 0 to 1 million. So before we get started on for loops, we first have to create a variable that we want to use inside of the for loop. So I'm going to create a new integer called count, and now we can get started with the for loop. So to create a for loop, use the keyword for, and then use open and close parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you're supposed to place in 3 arguments. The first argument is going to be the variable that you want to use for the for loop. In this instance, we want to use a variable called count, and you're supposed to also declare the initial starting point for that variable. So I'm going to start off at 0, since we want to start off at 0. Now in the middle, the second condition, you're supposed to put in a condition where while this condition is true, continue the for loop. So while count is less than or equal to 1 million, we want this for loop to continue. So while count is less than or equal to 1 million, we want this for loop to continue. And then the last condition, the last argument you place in there is going to be the argument where what happens to count. So while this iteration is going through, what do you want to happen to count after this iteration is done? And we want count to go up by 1 each time, so I can do count plus equal to 1, or as a shortcut, I'm just going to do count plus plus. And now we can get started with the item inside the for loop itself. And you can do that by typing in these braces, and then inside of the braces where you place in what you want to happen to those items inside the for while the for loop is iterating through. So all I want is I just want to display count. So I just want to print the value count. So I'm going to type in system.out.println and then type in count. So now if I run this, you can see that it counts down from 0 to 1 million. And this is exactly how the program works that we just wrote. So if there's anything confusing about this program, feel free to post it down in the comments below. But I hope this tutorial was very helpful. So post any comments or questions or anything down below in the comment sections. Also, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you guys for watching.